Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, so first
Hi.
of all, I can hello, myself Sonam,
Yeah.
and what about your dear?
Yeah, actually, hello. Hi, and I'm Priya. I have done my
Okay,
MBBS. Now, currently, actually, I got time because my exam was postponed because we know that the corona crisis is going on, so all exam is postponing. So just my PG preparation is going on. So I got chance to also enhance my English too. So I just joined Clappingo, so that's where I got you. So now I thought like that I'll make some conversation with you. I thought like when I started like 1 month ago, but I'm not getting time, and I'm not like I'm not knowing so much. Actually, I didn't know that time, but now I'm knowing. So I thought like I give message. Then after that, I'll connect with you. So that's my thing.
okay. So like, what kind of like a study you're doing now?
Okay, now this time I'm currently doing a PG preparation, NEET PG preparation. You heard about for medical terms.
Okay.
Yeah,
So like a MBBS kind of preparation you're doing, or like what
I,
exactly?
actually I have done MBBS, all
Okay,
MBBS. Like yeah, I have done. After that MBBS, now currently I'm doing the PG preparation. So that's it.
okay. So do you
Yeah.
like any kind of practice you're doing right now with any kind
No,
of hospital?
no, actually, I have done in my internship, but now
Mhm.
currently I'm giving only focus on my study. So I just left all things. So
Okay. So you are not saying where are you from? Like you're from Mumbai?
okay, no, no. Actually, what happened? Just basically, I'm from UP in Prayagraj, and I have done my graduation from Maharashtra Medical College. So that's way just. Means like that I'm totally half from UP and half from Maharashtra because of doing all graduation from Maharashtra. So that's it.
Okay. So
Yeah.
you are also visited the Maharashtra. So that time you are coming to Mumbai, like you are in Mumbai sometime.
No. Okay. When okay, I have been
When you
there.
are yes, like when you like study in Maharashtra. So that time you are thinking like to come to Mumbai to see the Mumbai.
Yeah. Actually, my relative also living there, Mumbai, and
Mm-hmm.
also in Maharashtra, many people like my in relative, many people are there. So whenever I usually see Mumbai, Juhu Beach and all, I went there. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
So I can say you know about the Mumbai and everything. Like
yeah.
you are also.
Actually, yeah, Mumbai is so big, and I think I went 6, 7 times. But I know that still I know that I didn't actually roam. I didn't roam around the whole Mumbai because of that Mumbai is like so big city.
You can visit the Mumbai like in one day. It's enough. Like you can see all the places. Is Mumbai. It's not a big city. You can say it's very small city.
No,
Yes.
for me it's like that big city because of like stoppages there are so many, and I mostly go many places. Actually, went to many places like a Chambur and
Mm-hmm.
what just I forgot some name of. So that's why I went to many places. I know that Lakshmi Temple was also there. It's near to some masjid is there. So
Yes.
what? Yeah. So that's why I went many sites. Not totally I forgot because I also went in Pune too. So just I like that. Mostly, yeah. In Maharashtra, actually, in Maharashtra, every city is going on like city like Pune and Mumbai. So and Kolhapur, Solapur. So I went to many places. So I just forgot about what like cities there. So I said like that I didn't actually roam around Maharashtra, not only in the Mumbai. So that's why. Yeah.
Okay, no. Yeah, I got your point. So actually, like now you are in the Prayagraj, like in Allahabad.
Yeah.
Prayagraj is in Allahabad, right?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. Yeah.
so how's your situation is the Allahabad? Like there is not any kind of corona situation is issue.
So actually, now it's okay. Like it's okay now, but yeah, when this happened, so that time Prayagraj suffered more,
Okay.
mostly UP. And now this time, like in second wave, I what I got to know that most of the people of UP that suffered more because of a corona, and I heard many deaths about by the corona. So like when the first wave came, so it was not effective in my place. But in second wave, what I saw that many people were dying for this like corona and all. So now its condition is under control. So it's going good. So yeah.
Yeah, but you can say in Mumbai, its situation is still going on same. Not any kind of situation under control, we can say. But we are living like as usual life, like you can say, like how many year like we face the same thing. Like you can say we are the used to all that thing. So
Yeah,
now people are
exactly.
not scared, like you can say afraid and scared. They are like used to like a corona is a one of the part of our life.
Yeah,
So we are
exactly.
not thinking.
And how is the weather? Actually, I heard about like a rainy season so heavily going on. So that's way.
Yes, but I can say 2 or 3 days before, not any heavy rainfall. But yeah, in
Okay.
I can say past 2 weeks, it's a heavy rainfall in Mumbai. But now the time it's today actually I can say not any kind of rain today.
Okay,
Yeah.
because mostly like heavy rain is going on in a Mumbai city, so that's where I know that I can understand about Mumbai because it's like the international platform is there, so many people are affected so much, and it's like a metro and our journey and dream cities also, so that's where everybody like affected from this Mumbai. But I like Mumbai.
Yes, yes. Yes,
Yeah.
exactly like a Mumbai, you can say the dream city. People are calling like the dream city. They
Yeah,
can do
exactly.
their achieve their dream in Mumbai. That is why I was feel very happy. I was born in this city because if
Oh,
basically I can say I was belong from the UP side. I'm not a Mumbai person because my
okay,
father's native place is Banaras, like a UP in the Banaras. But I don't
okay.
like my native place
I
because
can understand.
I was born and brought up in Mumbai, so I like to live only in Mumbai, not any like our place, native place. Only
So
you can say
I think,
in my
yeah,
whole life when the pandemic started first time. Only this time I was going 6 months for my native place. Otherwise, in my whole life I was not going. Like I married my sisters and brothers' wedding. Only that time 5 to 10 days. Except not I'm not going
okay.
because I was not liking.
So that's why
Yes.
actually you didn't go. So you never want to go in Banaras and all.
No,
No.
actually I don't like. I don't
I
like.
think, yeah, I went one time in Banaras only for my exam center. So that's why I got to know that there is not too good road and all. So it's, I don't like Banaras city, but it was great for only for like Vishwanath temple is there and also this like some river and all. So that's why I like that. Otherwise, truly I never liked because of like the road is not good and I know that when I went so how it's like I suffer more, so that's why.
No, because I was recently visited, so you can say the now the road and all that like a good, very good because like a highway kind of road they are prepare. Yes, so it's very good because I was recently visited. I don't have any idea about the before, but I saw like the Mumbai kind of road in Banaras also now.
Yeah, but if you are living in Mumbai and you started your journey from Mumbai, then you went in Banaras, so it's like a different point now, so I can understand.
But actually, where is my like a hometown in Banaras? Is in the city. So it's like a more like a city kind of like all that
uh,
thing. So it's
yeah,
not any kind of differences, but as you know, we are living lifestyle is very different. Like same thing is
yeah,
there, but lifestyle is very different, and the people's mentality is very different. So
yeah,
that's why you can say I don't like it. Otherwise, you can now the Banaras situation is good. Everything is very good. You can in
okay,
terms of shopping malls. There is also the shopping malls. I can go and buy. So all the things like the Mumbai, but I don't like the people of that place. They are just
okay, I
you
can
can say gossip all that thing. So I don't like that.
yeah, yeah,
You
yeah. I
village
can
people.
understand. Yeah, I can understand. Actually, I know that. Okay, when I went like 6 years ago, so that's why I don't know that about now this time what situation is going on. Otherwise, I also not like living in my hometown because of when I was like a 10th standard. That time I went from my home for education purpose. So mostly I'm living outside from my home. So that's is going on. Yeah, but I love to my hometown because I'm so much like loving to my family, and also I always want to come here. So
Like your family member all are living in Prayagraj. They are not
yeah,
other place.
no, no, no. Actually, they all are yeah living in Prayagraj, but Mama is working in Agra. So just that's way we are doing like that. But now still in Corona, we are like in the same place. So we are enjoying because after sometimes I met with my family, so it's good for me.
Yes,
And I'm also like a family type, so that's I just
yes,
like
yes.
yeah.
Yes, where the family, so we can happy that place.
Yeah,
Yes,
and it's truly that mostly I was like so far from my home, so I always missed my family. So for like any function like Raksha Bandhan, Diwali, and Holi, I mostly like out of my family because of my study purpose and all. I never met like sometimes it's long to like a 2 year and all, so it happened. So I really want to stay with my family. So it's Corona situation give me chance, actually gave me a chance. So now I'm living with my family.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. Corona situation like something teach us all of the people I can say who is not living with their family who know the value of the family. They don't
Yeah.
they know about what is the family value. So I can say it's teach a lot. Some
Yeah.
people they don't value the family and all that things.
Yeah, exactly. And tell me about Sonam about your English journey. I wanna know that what's your when you started and how was like your experience like that.
Okay, actually, the same thing I was repeating again and again. One more time, I can
Okay,
repeat
okay,
it.
okay. Okay,
Yes,
I think
so
that many person asked to you, so that's way.
yeah, like every person connected, so they just ask this thing how like you are like now. I can say now I was just before 4 months. I can say the journey started begin in the 4 month before like a March 2021. I was started and it's completely 4 month. I can say the after 6 August is the 5 month is
Okay,
completed.
okay.
So yes, I can say that I was also started journey with clapping go like you are doing now.
Yeah,
So and actually I can say I was very afraid to talk with people like same thing you can say like a
yeah,
nervousness
same
what they
happened.
think.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes, but when
yeah.
I joined the clapping go, so that time my this kind of fear you can say it's automatically gone somewhere else. I don't know where is gone, but it's
Okay,
gone.
that's great.
So
Yeah,
yes, you can say that after joining the clapping go, I just got the confidence to speak any kind of person. Like there is a lot of tutors, so I was connected different kind of tutors also. So that's why I found myself I can speak with others. Like before that, I don't know how I speak, how the people are react. So with tutor, I got the confidence. Okay, so now that I can understand, okay, I can speak with people. People can understand me like before I cannot judge myself. How can I judge like say
yeah,
alone I can do.
exactly. But
So
you are
watching
speaking very well. I watched your session, some sessions, so I think that you are good in your like speaking purpose. Otherwise, like I think we have like some difference. Like we have no any confidence. Otherwise, if I am looking you and I'm watching your session, so you are like good in your way. You are doing good. But I know that what you are feeling inside you. You know that
Yes,
well.
exactly. See, this is my first time I can say people are saying me it's not look like the way you are saying, but in video we not found like I don't know why it's not found, but I know about myself what I feel that time because my hand is shivering, my leg is shivering, everything
Oh
is shivering.
God.
Like I was that much of nervous in the my first video. I couldn't say this thing, but I was feeling when I joined with Divyam Jan. He's my first tutor, I can say. And at
Okay.
that time I can I don't know why I'm speaking, I couldn't understand how I'm speaking like this, but everything is my shivering, you can say hand to leg everything is shivering that time. But only the one confidence, you can say I cannot speak any single Hindi word. So like this thing only in my mind, I can speak anything, whatever is happen, but I can speak. So you can
Yeah.
say my mind is not shivering, my mind is running perfectly.
Oh,
So that's
that's
why it's
great.
not look like, yes, it's not look like, but so that why that is why I found myself I can speak like before that
Yeah.
I was not speaking. So how can you judge yourself, like we cannot
Yeah.
analyze. So after the first video when I posted my YouTube channel, the people the way the all are liking, I was thinking really I was good. Like I was not getting that much any appreciation with my all
Yeah.
people, like surrounded people, because they are not know about Sonam can speak English, because I'm not
Okay.
speaking English. Yeah, this is my first time I was speaking in English and presenting myself in this platform, like a public platform, you can say the
Yeah.
whole
Yeah.
world
Yeah.
even.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And some people are like thinking, the people are criticize me like how the way she's speaking, she's not good speaking, like the way people are
Yeah.
criticize
Yeah.
some people. But when I uploaded my video, I got a very good kind of response. Seriously, I was
That's
not thinking like that. I was getting this kind of, because I was thinking only one video I uploaded. If I'm not getting good response, I will delete it after some time. My video. I was
wow.
thinking, no,
Oh
because
God.
I was very scared kind of person. I can say I was not posting my single pic in the any social media platform, Facebook, WhatsApp, and the
Now you
Insta.
are open and everybody want to connect with you.
Yes, exactly. Like what's happened, I don't know. In YouTube, I can't control myself to post my pic. So yes, you can see the people's response. I was getting a very good kind of response, and the way people response good way. So that's why I was motivated myself, and the way I was improving, and the people are also like to connect with me. So it's happened. It's happened surprisingly, you can say. But
Yeah.
now I like
That's
this journey.
but that's
Yes.
great. But we never seen like that. You made and you like you were like a shivering. What you said like that. We like never seen like
No,
that way.
no,
But
because in my face expression, nobody can judge. But
yeah,
at
I
that
can
moment,
understand. But had
what?
and yeah, I can understand. Yeah, same
Yes.
happened with me. Actually, I just I don't know like how it started. Even I'm doing now this time also clapping. Go. I just I'm getting lots of a correction by Divyam Jain sir. So that's why just I thought like it's like happening. Whenever you want to learn anything without mistake, you never do anything. So just going on, firstly I also like scared about my like all things, but now it's like I'm become habitual, because I think that if I'll become good in after sometimes, so it would be better for me. So what people, and I also I didn't got actually I didn't get any comment about any negative things and all. So it was good thing for me. And but yeah, I'm doing because I know that I'm not good, so I want to do and I want to improve. So that's why I'm doing now.
Yes. And I can say the when I was started, I think that time people are not aware about the clapping go. But this
Yeah,
time I've
yeah.
seen everyone like to join to clapping go. And some of the people are only join to me. Sonam, can you suggest guide me how to join the clapping go only? They don't like
Great,
to talk
great.
with me. They don't want. They only want to how to just guide me how to like take a subscription and
Yeah.
all that process. I was the person is coming like any kind of help. I was really give the help, not like no, I'm not that busy person. I'm not saying. You can if you know the connecting with my people. If you are connected in future, so you can ask the people giving me what I was doing for
No,
like
no, definitely. I already saw that thing. So that when you gave messages, then actually I was doing my class. I forgot about it because mostly on Sunday my test series is going on. So I just preparing my syllabus. Then I got your message suddenly. I saw that, oh God, I said, but I forgot. But I saw that your nature, that everybody is like after becoming so popular and like that. So there is no response because yeah, it's like their call, so they should be call and inform like that way. But you are a really truly good person that you know that and you fixed that and now you give message. I really appreciate your work.
no, dear. Actually, see, it's not a thing. I'm just, you can say, it's my habit. Like I'm taking this thing in a very serious way. Like it's, you can say, there is not. I'm paying any kind of money, but I'm using my time, and you don't know the time is very valuable.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
like a
exactly.
4 month, I'm like giving a lots of time for this. So like I don't like to miss a single person, the like
Yeah.
anybody who is connecting. By default network issue problem is happen, but I don't miss the single person to connect with me. But I'm
That's
forcing you,
great.
you can connect me and I will get a chance to talk with you. Okay,
No,
so I
that's
can say
great. Actually,
I was eagerly waiting for the person is not waiting, but I will wait like a waiting person.
yeah, all great person thinks like that way, like you. So that's why you
Yes.
are doing a great job for everyone. And I wanted to know that when like a clamping go start. Actually, I also like know about in like June like that way when my exam was postponed because I didn't use social media so much. I just when my exam was postponed, so I got to know that now I have to imply my time in like using English and this learning English. So that's why I got you and many person are there in platform. Yeah, means you are doing a great things. So I want to know that when you got to know because just I got to know about the clapping go in June time. Before I don't know that what started
Hmm.
clapping go and all. I think you people started. You and 2 3 members are there who started clapping go firstly. So
I
that's
can say when I was started, there is only the 4 to 5 YouTuber are like posting the clapping go video, and now the time it's I don't know how many people I can't count. But when I started, there is a very famous now. The time is Megha, and
yeah,
I'm and one Pratima. Yes, 3 or 4 girls only, and
yeah,
actually 2 or 3 boys. I can say 7 YouTuber like a clapping go session there uploading. Yes. So that time I can say if not aware the people, so like watching the video of the clapping go all that. So now they are doing like join the clapping go, and you can say the people are promoting the clapping go. Clapping go got a
yeah,
very good support with like our
yeah.
side.
Yeah, because of you people took initiative for these things. So by the you people now we are seeing these things. So we are like like exciting for using this because of your session video and all. So we got to know that what is clapping go. Otherwise we never know that it's like a clapping go also is there.
Yes, yes, exactly. I was saw the Megha English with Megha YouTube channel.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
know that.
yeah,
So
yeah. I know.
actually, when I saw her, that girl, like I was thinking like she's just like me, like the way I'm liking in the mic English. She's just like me that time. She's not a very good, but now the present time she is speaking very well. So I was thinking if she is doing this kind of thing and she's not afraid, so why not me? Why I'm afraiding
So
myself?
you
Like
are
that,
doing great now. Yeah, you also doing
you
a
can
great. You are
say
not afraid now.
no, no. So because of you can say she's my inspiration. Because of her,
Yeah,
I was there. Otherwise, I was not like to do this kind of thing. I was
yeah,
always telling
exactly.
since my first inspirations, like to do this kind of thing.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, everybody like motivated, like you people. Then we now we got inspiration from you people. So that's why we starting our journey. Otherwise, it's like sometimes like a same on like that things. How like start because of thinking of like what people say and all. Now you are become so like big and now you are still you are learning. So that's why it's going on. But while saying all you what are you doing, so we got inspiration from you all, so now we are also doing that way. So I
Yes, yes.
yeah, so I wanted to like join you and when I started Clappingo, but like I was totally busy, so I thought like I'll make one conversation with you one day. So like now I'm doing with you but yeah, by what I actually made like image about you, and now I'm talking with, it's like yeah, you are really a good person now while talking, so I'm knowing that.
Thank you so much. Because actually, I like the person. Because what my main motive, I was thinking the person, okay, he is or she is connecting with me, and I get a more chance to speak the English. You can say this is the only my happy thing to like connect the people, not any kind of you can say what do I say? I can't remember the thing.
Okay.
So only that this thing I was very happy, like connect with people. And yesterday I was connecting with one person. He is South what is South Arabia, Saudi Arabia,
From
Saudi
I think
Arabia.
Ashraf,
It's
is Ashraf.
UAE, is a UAE.
UAE. Okay, okay then.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got
Not
it.
Asraful. He is an English teacher. I know the Asraful. I was also the conversation with him, but he is not that one person. And he was a very good speaker. He was an English teacher, and I can say I was talking with her. Like I was not feeling like a person is very far away for me, and we
Yeah,
can't see each other. But I don't know this time what happened. I was not afraiding. I was not like that kind of like you can say fearness. Any kind of person I can talk. And
oh,
the
that's
way
great.
I was happy with you, the way I was talking with you, conversation same like that guy also. And he also telling me, Sonam, I was thinking like you are the girl, like the way you are talking, I can talk with you. So I can say
Okay,
like
okay.
people who are like a 5 minute after they are like feel like we are the friend, very old friend like.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. It's depend on our conversation how we will deal like that. Some like it's not dealing like a good way, and some like so friendly, so it's going like in a friend way. So it's a great thing. Communication skill is a different part, and everybody has a different. But who make so great this communication, so they will achieve their
Yes,
communication. So now
yes,
you are doing a great thing. So I really appreciate your work now.
yes. And it will be very great conversation I can say with you. I was thinking we are not talking 15 to 20 minutes, but it still is going on 30 minutes. I was thinking it's only the 10
Yeah, yeah,
minutes time.
yeah. I
Okay.
also make some conversation after my examination with you. Yeah, really, yeah, it was a really great for me this conversation because of I never know that you are really sweet and so beautiful girl. So just you are doing such a great things.
Okay, okay, dear. Thank you so much for your good compliment. And
No, no, you
we
are doing a
hope,
great. Yeah,
yes. Okay, so we just now the wind up this session, and we hope
yeah.
meet tomorrow, like any future time with you.
Yeah, surely. Yeah, after 1 and 2 months like that, because my examination is going on. So I wanted to one make a conversation with you for my YouTube channel also. So that's why.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Thank you for giving me your precious time.
Thank you, dear. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.